So I'm a huge LG fan, and I was hurt when LG Mobile was closed. And I know there's a large community of LG fans out there looking for hope that one day LG Mobile will return. Well, the reality is LG Mobile will probably never come back, but they left behind one of the best mobile devices, and I really love it. Let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I'm doing another follow-up video about the LG V60, one of my all-time favorite phones, and we got some updates. So let's talk about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Don't listen to what this clown is saying. I'm a better phone.
You coming to me sideways.
Hey, you talking all these fighting words.
What?
I kick your ass. Oh,
Wait a minute.
Huh?
You
ready?
Sit your $5 ass
we gonna
down
take this
before I
outside.
make
You want to
change.
take this outside?
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I asked myself, what do you want in a phone? 845 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, SD card support that give you stellar performance. The LG V60 can do that. So check for that. A beautiful 6.8-inch POLED display. Check for that. Best-in-class cameras with manual mode that can record up to 8K in video. That's a check for that. Optional dual display that can run multiple apps at the same time. Check mark for that. A headphone jack with a quad DAC. Best-in-class sound. Check mark for that. Well, we have pen support with great software to match. Check for that. A huge 5,000 milliamp battery to boot. Check for that. Dual speakers on the LG V60. It gets another check. So stop me if I'm naming so many features that the LG V60 is capable of doing. And take a shot every time I say check. If you did that, you'll be drunk. Well, look, I'm not even done yet with the LG V60. The LG V60 has Android 11 with September security patch. And lastly, let's talk about the price. Right now, as of me recording this video, the LG V60 can be had for $330 to $350. Great price point. So with all that said, what happened to the LG V60? Well, better yet, what happened to LG period? Well, let's talk about it. When you talk about what happened to LG, when everybody else is removing features like headphone jacks, going up on their prices and stuff like that, looking at LG, you have the best smartphone right here. When everybody else is taking everything away, you got LG that has all the features that you know and love. So why nobody supported LG in 2020? Why? LG Velvet, LG Wing, LG V60, the best devices of 2020. Why? Well, I got an answer to that question. Because of us, tech reviewers, and because of them, LG. We as tech reviewers slam LG for not having a high refresh rate when everybody else was giving you high refresh rates. We as tech reviewers slam LG for not giving a quad HD display. We as tech reviewers slam LG for not having an unlocked V60 at launch. And lastly, and this is the most important one, we as tech reviewers has a biased stance towards other companies and don't give LG a fair shake. Now that's us, the tech reviewers. Let's talk about why LG screwed up. LG had zero marketing, not letting the people know about all the best features that they had on their device. LG's past had a bad taste with a lot of people, and they have a bad history with bad devices. Devices like the LG G4, aka boot loop. You had the LG G5, total disaster with removable mods that never came out. You had the LG G6 with outdated specs, right? Then you had the LG G8, unusable hand gestures and features that was laughable, kind of embarrassing. Also, bad software support, not updating their devices in a timely manner. So that's why LG failed. But I could tell you, LG did recover. You know, phones like the LG V60, right? the LG V30, the LG V40, the LG V50, the LG Velvet, the LG Wing. These are the devices that was really good. But what happened was most people moved on to other companies. And I could tell you right now, the LG V60 is almost a perfect phone for me. This is why I use it off and on all the time. Most people gave up on LG a long time ago. They never gave it a fair shake. And look, I would tell you that the LG V60 is a great device. It does everything you need: pen support, fast processor, optional dual screens, dual speakers, everything else in between. This device is it. This device has a headphone jack with a quad DAC, and this device is good, man. I mean, the cameras is awesome. The display is great. 5,000 milliamp battery on here, long battery life, beautiful design. I mean, everything else in between. This device has it all. Over a year with the LG V60, I love it. It's a very good phone. I'm glad I got it in my arsenal. And I'm going to continue to give you guys updated videos of all my LG phones throughout 2021 and going into 2022. I would not give up on my LG devices. I would let y'all guys know all the updates and everything else in between with my LG devices. I love this phone. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.